Hello everyone, I am Dr. Siar. Welcome to the AAPC CPC mock exam 2. In this mock exam, we will go through all 100 multiple choice questions organized by chapter, just like the real TPC exam. I will explain you how to find the answers easily and quickly. So make sure to subscribe my channel and check out my playlist. AAPC CPC mock exam 2, chapter 14, Pathology and Laboratory series. There are 6 questions. Question number 1. A physician utilizes automated equipment to perform a lipid panel consisting of HDL, total serum cholesterol, and triglycerides, along with the quantitative glucose test. Which of the following CPT code sets accurately report these services? So there are 4 answers available. Take your CPT code book and find the answer. So here you have to highlight this. First investigation done is lipid panel consisting of HDL, total serum cholesterol, and triglycerides, along with a quantitative glucose test. So once you look at the answers are scattered. So there are different kinds of answer. So rather than going for the elimination method, you can use the alphabetic index to find the answer easily. So once you go to the alphabetic index, first for lipid panel, go to the main term lipids, then go to the subterm panel. It will lead you to the code 80061. Similarly, you can find the same thing using organ or disease oriented panel, again subterm lipid panel. So both ways you can find the code. So 80,061, again go by the tabular list and confirm the answer. So once you go to the tabular list, 80,061 says lipid panel. This panel must include the following: cholesterol, that is serum total, lipoprotein direct measurement, high density cholesterol, and triglycerides. So when you look at the description, consisting of HDL, serum cholesterol, and triglycerides. So all 3 are included here. So the first part, you can get the answer 80,061. So C and D may be suitable. So once you go to the next part, that is glucose. So for the glucose, you can go to the main search term, index term glucose, then go to the subterm blood test. Blood test, there are 3 codes available: 82,947, 48, and 50. Again, come back the tabular list and confirm the answer. Once you go to the tabular list, you can see 82,947 is glucose qualitative blood, except reagent stripped. 48 is blood reagent stripped, and 950 is post-glucose dose. So in the case, you can see along with the quantitative glucose test, the physician uses the automated equipment. So there's no reagent strip involved here. So the correct code will be 82,947. That is glucose quantitative blood. So the correct answer will be answer C. Question number 2. A 28-year-old woman presented to the obstetrician stating that she tested positive on a home pregnancy test. The obstetrician decides to perform a urine pregnancy test in the office for confirmation. What is the OB code for the pregnancy test only? So there are 4 answers available. Take your CPT code book and find the answer. So here you have to highlight the woman already tested positive on a home pregnancy test. In the office urine pregnancy test for confirmation. So when you look at the answer, all answers are adjacent codes. So you can use the elimination method to find the answer. So once you go to the codes, 81,000 is urine analysis by dipstick or tablet reagent for bilirubin, glucose, hemoglobin. There are so many listed here. And 81,002 is non-automated without microscopy. 81,003 is automated without microscopy. 81,025 is urine pregnancy test by visual color comparison method. So that is the correct code. So the correct answer will be answer D. In the real working scenario, you had to use the CPT alphabetic index. In the CPT alphabetic index, first go to the main search term, index term urine, then go for the subterms pregnancy test. It will lead you to the code 81,025. Or else first go to the main index term urine analysis, then go for the subterm pregnancy test. It will lead to the same code. Come back to the tabular list and confirm the answer. Question number 3. A physician orders an ultra-sensitive fibrin degradation products, that is D-dimer test, for a patient with a suspected deep vein thrombosis. Which CPT code should be reported for this laboratory service? So there are 4 answers available. Take your CPT code book and find the answer. So here you have to highlight this is ultra-sensitive fibrin degradation products test. So once you look at the answer, all answers are adjacent code. So you can use the elimination method in the exam. So once you go to the code, 88,362 is fibrin degradation products agglutination slide semi-quantitative. So that is not possible. 378 is fibrin degradation products D-dimer qualitative semi-quantitative. But in our case, it is ultra-sensitive fibrin. But this is not mentioning that. 379 is quantitative.
380 is ultra sensitive for evaluation for various thromboembolism, qualitative or semi-quantitative. So this code you have to read as the follow-up code of this one. You can see the semicolon here. So code number 85380 is fibrin degradation products D-dimer, ultra sensitive, qualitative or semi-quantitative. So that is the case here. So the correct answer will be answer D. So if you encounter this case in a real working scenario, you have to use the CPT alphabetic index. The CPT alphabetic index, you can go for the main search term, that is fibrin degradation products, and go for the subterm D-dimer, that is here, and again come back to the tabular list and confirm the answer. Once you confirm, the correct answer will be 85,380. Question number 4. A patient has a cholecystectomy and a soft tissue lipoma removed during the same operative session. Both specimens were sent to pathology in separate containers, are examined by the pathologist. What CPT codes are reported? So there are 4 answers available. Take your CPT code book and find the answer. So here you have to highlight this is cholecystectomy and soft tissue lipoma removed, sent to pathology in separate containers, examined by the pathologist. When you look at the answer, all answers are adjacent codes, so you can use the elimination method to find the answer. When you go to the surgical pathology course, you can see 88,300 is level 1, that is surgical pathology, gross examination only. 302 for level 2, surgical pathology, gross and microscopic examination. But in our case, only 304 and 305 are used, so you can directly go to that course. So 88,304, you can see. Procedure done is cholecystectomy. So cholecystectomy means removal of gallbladder. So you have to search for the gallbladder. So this is the level 3. The codes are arranged in the alphabetic order, so you can easily search through. So go down, go to the word G. You can see the gallbladder is here. So in 304, the gallbladder is included. Similarly, you have to search for the lipoma. So again, go down. You can see soft tissue lipomas. Both the procedures are included in the level 3 code, that is 88,304. So for the removal of gallbladder, one time you have to use, and removal of lipoma, you have to use another time. So the correct answer will be 88,304 into 2. So here you can see cholecystectomy is the removal of gallbladder and the lipoma removal. So both are included in the code 88,304. The correct answer will be answer B. So if you encounter this case in a real working world, you have to use the CPT alphabetic index. In the alphabetic index, you have to go for the surgical pathology and gross and microscopic exam. So you have to check all the levels here. So once you check, the correct answer will be 88,304. So both procedures are included within this. So you can multiply by 2. Question number 5. A patient with family history of breast cancer has a BRCA1 gene analysis ordered. The physician wants the full sequence analysis. What is the correct CPT code for this test? So there are 4 answers available. Take your CPT code book and find the answer. Here you have to highlight this is BRCA1 gene analysis, full sequence analysis. Once you look at the answers, all answers are adjacent codes, so you can use the elimination method for the exam purpose. So once you go to the code directly, 81,162 is BRCA1 and BRCA2. Gene analysis, full sequence analysis, and full duplication and deletion analysis. But in our case, only BRCA1 gene is analyzed, not 2. So this answer is not possible. 81,163 is full sequence analysis for both these genes. 81,165 is BRCA1 gene analysis, full sequence analysis. So that is the correct code here. So the correct answer will be answer C. So if you encounter this case in a real working world, you have to use the CPT alphabetic index. In the CPT alphabetic index, first you have to go for the main search term, that is breast, then go for the subterm cancer gene analysis, then go for the subterm BRCA, then go for the subterm full sequence. It will lead you to the 81,162 to 62 and 65. Again, come back the tabular list and confirm the answer. Once you confirm, the correct answer will be answer C. Question number 6. This is the final question of this pathology and laboratory series. Sperm is being prepared through a washing method to get it ready for the insemination of 5 oocytes for fertilization by directly injecting the sperm into each oocyte. Choose the CPT codes to report this service. So there are 4 answers available. Take your CPT code book and find the answer. So here I have to highlight there are 2 procedures done. One is sperm being prepared using the washing method, and second one is insemination of 5 oocytes for fertilization done. So you have to code for the both procedures. Once you look at the answers, all answers are adjacent codes. You can see the first procedure, these adjacent codes. The second procedure, these are adjacent codes. So you can use the elimination method for the exam purpose. So once you go to the code 89,257, sperm identification from aspiration, that is not possible. 89,260 is sperm isolation, simple prep. Example, sperm wash and swim up for insemination or diagnosis with semen analysis. So that's the correct code for the first procedure, that you can see sperm being prepared by washing method. So for first procedure 89,260. So B and D are possible. Once you look at other codes, 261 complex prep, so that is not here. 268 insemination of oocytes. So that is the procedure here, insemination of oocytes, but they are mentioning 5 oocytes for fertilization directly injecting to the sperm. Read the other code 89,280 assisted oocyte fertilization. Assisted means they are injecting. Micro technique less than or equal to 10 oocytes. So in our case 5 oocytes. So the correct code will be 89,280. So the correct answer will be answer B, both 89,260 and 280. If you encounter this case in real working scenario, you have to use the CPT alphabetic index. For the first procedure is sperm isolation. So the main search term is isolation. Again, go for the subterm sperm. It will lead to the following 2 codes. Again, come back the tabular list and confirm the answer. Similarly, for the second procedure is fertilization. So again, go for the fertilization. This one is assisted, oocyte and micro technique. It will lead to the following 2 codes, 89,280 and 281. Again, come back the tabular list and confirm the answer. Once you confirm, the correct answer will be answer B.
Please subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubts or any questions, you can put in the comment section, or else you can email me, or you can WhatsApp me to the email and the WhatsApp number displayed here. So please subscribe my channel and stay with me. Thank you.